The benefits of peptides are endless. Peptides are an effective anti-aging ingredient that promotes skin suppleness. It stimulates and regenerates the skin, improves your pores, while also providing moisturizing effects. Today, I wanted to share my recipe for youth routine. These are 4 simple ways I've been adding peptides into my skincare routine. First up is Mary&May's Collagen Peptide Vital Mask, which I use almost every single day in the morning before getting ready. Simply just take out a sheet mask and leave it on your skin for 10 minutes for skin elasticity. After the rest of my skincare steps, I love using the vegan peptide Bakuchiol Sunstick from Mary&May. This one helps to blur out my visible pores a little bit and has a good combination of Bakuchiol and peptides, which means powerful anti-aging effects. Right before bed, I like to apply the 6 peptide complex serum. It's packed with peptides and prevents signs of aging while giving my skin that moisture that it needs. Also, you gotta love the light, refreshing texture that it has. Last but not least, if I'm feeling a little bit extra, I pamper myself with vegan Calendula Peptide Ageless Sleeping Mask. I apply a generous layer onto my face, massage that in, and jump right into bed. This feels amazing, and I love waking up to healthy and glowy skin in the morning. One thing that we can all agree upon is we want to age well and we want to age gracefully. Aging is inevitable, but one thing that we can do is to take steps to add in ingredients that may help for well aging for our body and our skin.